In the heart of Rwanda's rolling green hills, where the tea plants meet the bright blue sky, young Keza was on a mission. Balancing a tower of avocados on his head, he walked with steady steps toward home. Nearby, his little sister Mia was lost in a world of wonder, chasing butterflies through the tall grass. But even the steadiest feet can falter. When Mia suddenly dashed into his path, the world tilted. Avocados tumbled, bouncing and rolling down the dusty slope. Keza stood frozen, his frustration rising like a storm cloud as he looked at the scattered fruit. Then came Sogokuru. With his carved walking stick and a face lined with years of kindness, he saw Keza's slumped shoulders. He didn't scold. Instead, he knelt in the dirt, placed a steady hand on the boy's shoulder, and gestured toward his heart with a knowing smile. Under the shade of the trees, Sogokuru opened his worn Bible, and he read Colossians 3:16, which says, "Let the message of Christ dwell among you richly, as you teach and admonish one another with all wisdom, through psalms, hymns, and songs from the Spirit, singing to God with gratitude in your hearts." As he pointed to the sacred words, a shimmering golden light seemed to dance off the page. In that moment, the frustration in Keza's eyes faded, replaced by a bright spark of understanding. The heaviness was gone. Together, Keza and Mia began to gather the avocados. What was a chore became a game of discovery, fueled by a new, joyful determination. Sogokuru watched them, his heart full, seeing the lesson take root. Later, as they walked toward the village, their friend Bosco came running to show off a new toy. Thump! Another stumble, and more rolling avocados. But this time, Keza didn't frown. He simply smiled, offering a hand to Bosco to join in the work. As the trio walked on, a melody began to rise. Keza started to hum, and soon Mia and Bosco joined in. Their voices harmonized, drifting through the village like a gentle breeze, spreading a sense of peace to everyone they passed. The day ended right where it began, under the great avocado tree. As they shared a meal in the golden evening light, Keza looked at his family and friends. He touched his heart and smiled. He finally understood. When the message of peace dwells richly within you, every moment becomes a reason to sing.